Hey there, future millionaire! Are you ready to learn how to make some serious cash using the power of Chat GPT? Great, because today we're going to show you just how easy it can be to make money online. Imagine being able to make money from the comfort of your own home, without having to do any hard work or heavy lifting. Sounds too good to be true, right? Wrong? With Chat GPT, you can turn your computer into a money-making machine. So, what is Chat GPT? Well, it's a language model developed by OpenAI that uses artificial intelligence to generate human-like responses to text inputs. In simpler terms, it's a super smart computer program that can chat with you like a real person. But what does this have to do with making money? Well, companies all over the world are starting to use Chat GPT to improve their customer service and engage with their audiences. And they need people like you to help them. That's right, you can get paid to chat with people online using Chat GPT. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and some free time. Here's how it works. Companies hire you as a chat agent to respond to customer inquiries and provide support using Chat GPT. They'll give you all the training and tools you need to get started, and you'll be paid for each chat session you complete. The best part? You don't need any special skills or qualifications to get started. As long as you can type quickly and communicate clearly, you're good to go. Now, you might be thinking, how much can I really make doing this? Well, it depends on how much time you're willing to put in. Some companies pay by the hour, while others pay per chat session. But on average, you could earn anywhere from $10 to $30 per hour. And if you're really good at it, you might even be able to turn it into a full-time job. Some chat agents make 6 figures a year just by chatting online. So, what are you waiting for? If you want to start making money online using Chat GPT, start searching for chat agent jobs today. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more great financial tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, future millionaire. We hope this video has inspired you to take action and start making money online using Chat GPT. Remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to making money online, so don't be afraid to dream big and work hard.